So we've got this pan on a medium heat, and we'll just pop a little butter in there. And then a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then we'll pop us carrots in that we've just boiled. We'll just get them nicely coated. And then we'll pop in some honey. 2 or 3 tablespoons, depending on what amount you're making at the time. And I'm going to add a little black pepper to that. So as they cook, just keep moving them around in pan. And you can really smell this while it's cooking. It smells lovely. If you want to, you could add a little bit of garlic to this as well. But for now, I'm just going with this basic recipe. And you can substitute the red wine vinegar for orange juice. So we'll just keep letting that cook, and eventually it'll thicken up into that nice glaze that we're looking for. And all these carrots will be nicely coated. Now you can see how this is nicely reducing. And if you just keep moving it around, every carrot is going to get a nice coating for this. Starting to get a nice little bit of colour now. If you want to, you can just do these on a tray in oven. Just make your mixture up in a bowl first, and then put your carrots in and give them a really good coating, and then pop them onto a baking tray. I do it this way because the oven costs more money to run than a hob. Well, you can see how thick that is now. Nice little bit of glaze there. Let's keep moving it. Beautiful. And after only a few minutes, because we part boiled these carrots, they'll be done. Now let's drizzle some of that extra glaze over the tops of these carrots. We don't want to waste any of that. And there you go, that's your honey glazed carrots, ready in no time.